Hey, how you doing? This is Vincent from CashOnTheCarolina.com, and I just want to leave my testimonial review for REI Reply. I just want to let you know it's done wonders for me. I got 2 deals in the works right now with a couple more in the pipeline that I just have to follow up on. It's so easy. Susan and David do a really great job of walking you through the process. It seems kind of overwhelming at first because there's so many options, but they are really good. It's good that there's so many options because you have so many things that you can do with it, but they're really good at helping you when you might kind of lose your way. But it's a great program. I was looking at a drip campaign um, tool that use drip campaigns, and this tool does that. Along with I use it as a CRM. You know, getting all my contacts in, keep them all in one place. You don't have to send them, send messages out to all your contacts, but you can at least load them up and keep them there. That's a little advanced. But I've also replaced some other programs. I replaced Call Rail, which was, I think it's like $55 a month. I replaced another CRM that I was using. I'm using this now, and I still keep my contacts on the spreadsheet. Just so I get really comfortable with REI Reply. But this is my CRM now. You can make appointments on it. You can send reminders out. It's really great as using it as a drip campaign, and also using it to flush people out. You can just say, hey, if you want to sell your house, reply yes or no. And the ones that reply yes, you can scan through them right quick and call them. So I definitely recommend REI Reply. Thank you so much, David and Susan and the whole staff. Even Jasper, the lady that did all my onboard training. Thank you so much, and wishing you the best. I wish we can keep it a secret, but other people need to know this program so they can the real estate business can take off. Thank you so much. Take it easy. Bye.